Jim, we got a lot to talk about. I want to talk Disney. I want to talk crypto. I want to talk Meta. And I want to talk the elections. Go.
All right. Disney, if they have ESPN, if we were on ESPN, we would say he's got to be fired. That's pretty cut and dry.
You're firing Bob Chapek? Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Because?
I felt that he had a couple of years. The team's going downhill. I mean, that was incredible. Last night was really, the team has been going downhill. I had faith. Same way I had faith in Frank Reich in the Colts, and I still do with Frank because he had a winning record. But there is just no doubt that he has to go. I mean, that was just unconscionable. And the quarter itself, the way he handled it, I mean, he made it sound like it was just a 4-star quarter. Delusional. And I believed, and I was wrong.
Let me just go back for a second. Do you think that it's Chapek the man, or do you think it is the cyclical and secular headwinds that are facing this?
No. What, do you think he has like a bad team? He has the same team. What happened here is that even the stuff that he was good at, the stuff that I know it's a little harder to control theme park, but the losses here, Andrew, were just mind-boggling. I mean, when you're going over the quarter, it's stunning. And that's why I say if this was the NFL where they have tremendous accountability, and we were watching their program on Sunday morning, everyone together would say he should be fired. And then Schefter, by the way, would say, you know what, he is going to be fired because he would know what the board's going to do. Okay, I don't know.
Would you own the stock with Bob Chapek as the CEO?
Well, okay, so we have him for the Charitable Trust, and we called for his firing last night. We said that the franchise is too good to be destroyed by this man. That was one horrible quarter. That may have been a quarter for the ages.
Okay.
And, you cannot survive. In the NFL, you'd be fired. So they own ESPN. They should have the same accountability that you have for the NFL.
What are you doing?
I've got to tell you, it was embarrassing.
What are you doing with Sam Bankman-Fried then this morning?
I said yesterday he's the key to crypto. And Sam Bankman-Fried, I don't know. He's Jay Gould. He's Jay Gould, the 1869 scandal. Like Gould and Fisk.
Would you own Bitcoin or any crypto?
Does this
raise questions for you about the entire space, or is this just an individual single situation? How do you think about it?
Well, I think this guy tried to corner the crypto market, basically, the way that Gould tried to corner the gold market. And it turned out that in this case, there's no way you can own this stuff. I mean, how many people can hold this up? How many people can sit there and support this thing? I mean, this was amazing. Chimerical is the word I use for that. Chimerical. Some people say chimerical, but that's because they haven't Googled it.
Okay,
chimerical market.
We're going to run out of time. 20 seconds on Meta, 30 on the election.
Meta, I think he's real. I think the costs are going to take it. The OPEX is even going down. I'm a believer, even though I've been concerned. And the election, it was a huge win for the Republicans, but an actual win for the Democrats, because the Democrats had inflation against them. They had, Biden, people don't crime, and yet they still won so many different. They did well, given what was against them. By the way, I know that the Meta thing is odd, but I've got to tell you, I believe it this time. I think he's finally getting religion.